Guys, today we are here in the, where are we now?
Zamzam.
Zamzam again.
Guys, look at me. This is like the new Zamzam that I ever seen. Look at the names. Look at the red.
Where's good one? Zamzam in Dera, Karama, or here?
Here,
Ay,
the most best Zamzam ever.
here.
Yeah, I love it here.
I want to go here
And
today, every
this
day.
looks like a train.
Raise your hands if you want to, if you like here.
Mas binan sa akin.
Raise your hands if you like here.
Raise your hands, Sichi.
Madbi ka rin?
Madbi ka rin?
Tatlo hati na sila dalawa.
Oh, sige. Huwag muna yung yan. Diyan tayo kakain.
Hati na lang kayo ni ate. Tatlong madbi.
Tatlong madbi.
Let's see the menu.
Magkano ka ng Pepsi?
Let's get the menu here.
Choo choo.
There's lots of things.
Choo choo.
3 mas. Ay, sorry.
No, just
Hi.
give me order.
Ay,
Choo choo.
3 madbi.
Okay. Chicken?
That's chicken.
Okay.
And then sweet balls, 1.
Sweet balls after.
You're
finish?
giving okay.
Yeah, I'll give you.
Yeah.
And ano gusto mo pa?
Any salads?
You have Pepsi, madam?
Yeah?
Pepsi?
No, we have Pepsi, all the things. We have fresh juices also.
Pepsi na lang ako.
Pepsi.
Ikaw yung mga bata, fresh juice mo sila.
What your juice?
What's your choice, anak? Sa fresh juice, anak.
Like avocado, orange, mango, pineapple, pomegranate, banana,
Oh.
watermelon.
One orange.
Kita, auntie.
I will bring
Auntie
for
Oli.
you. Okay?
Kay Sichi, one orange.
One
Orange?
orange. Ano sa'yo?
Orange.
2 orange.
Mango
Come on.
also we have.
Mango you want, baby? And 1 mango.
Okay.
Tayong dalawa, ikaw na.
And 2 Pepsi. You have big one or the
Yes.
in can?
We have cans.
Okay,
two
cans.
Pepsi.
2 can Pepsi, 2 oranges, 1 mango, and 3 madbi. Madbi is 1 plate or separate?
Hindi, one orange, one mango.
Just orange.
Okay, sige.
So
Okay.
madbi is 1 plate or separate?
Separate.
Separate.
Okay.
And just give us extra plate.
Yeah, plates A will be.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay,
That's
thank
all.
you.
First I'll send the soup and all.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Actually, we're waiting for this Samsam to open. Because usually we're going there in the
Today's our
Sarang.
fourth day.
Yeah, we eating Karama and Dera.
Nice. This
Thank
is
you
nice.
so much. Thanks for coming.
Love sitting on the train.
So soft, my favorite.
Yan yung...
How to sit in the train?
Look, this is the best
Gantuin
Zamzam
natin
ever.
yung rukta, yung
Yung taas natin, ano?
The best, baby.
Ganda.
Pero kailangan makabili tayo ng gantong carpet.
Dito tayo bumili.
Oo. Tapos yung ganito, madali na lang to, no?
Polyester, ano?
Madali na lang makabili nito.
Look at the light.
Marami namang ano dun.
Mura dito yung carpet. Sa Pujaira ata mura eh.
Mas mataas pa yung ganito natin dun, eh. No?
Pwede mo ba na siya ganituhin mahal?
Oh, marami yung makahoy-kahoy.
Hindi ganito lang, yung ano,
Party-partition.
Party-partition.
Marami yung partition na yun.
Hindi yung isa open.
Kahit mga 3 pa.
Yung
sa
open,
pantry.
siya open.
Yung sa pantry CR, no?
This is like a train bike.
Ayan lang, guys. Don't forget to...
Like, subscribe, and share.
Hey, pigeon friends. I mean, bunny friends. Look at these.
Okay.
Bunny friends are pigeons.
Say bye-bye.
Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.